Hi students, today's class, relation between HCF and LCM. Already we have seen methods of finding HCF and LCM, highest common factor or GCD, greatest common divisor, and LCM also, least common multiple. So today relation between HCF and LCM we will see. For any two numbers, two numbers will be given. For any two numbers, HCF into LCM, HCF of those two numbers into LCM of those two numbers is equal to product of these two numbers, product of two numbers, given numbers. Okay, if you see one problem, you can understand the procedure. The product of two numbers is the product of two numbers is 432 and their LCM is 72. Find their HCF. Okay, we will see the solution. What did I tell you the relation between HCF and LCM? HCF into LCM, product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So what is given here? Product of two numbers is given. Product of two numbers is given. And LCM is given. We have to find the HCF. We have, I told you one relationship there, HCF into LCM is equal to, what did I tell you, product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. You can substitute the values, given values in this formula, we will get the answer. HCF we should find right as it is. LCM is given 72. Product of two numbers is also given 432. Now send this 72 that side. Then what happens? 432 upon 72. This is in the multiplication on left hand side. If you send right hand side, it becomes division. Remember that procedure, okay? This is in the multiplication. When we send to RHS side, it will be in the division, okay? Cancel it. 2 3 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 3s are 18, 6 6 are 36. So 6. Therefore, what is the HCF? 6. So by using this concept, any LCM or HCF will be given. We can find one of the two LCM or HCF. Or among two numbers, one number will be given. We can find the other number also. Okay? We see one more problem. Look at the question. The product of two numbers is, second question, The product of two numbers is 19,200 and their HCF is 40. Find their LCM. Okay. Before we found the HCF, now we have to find the LCM. Look at the solution. What is given here? What is given? Product of two numbers is given. Product of two numbers is given 19,200. HCF is given 40. LCM we should find. Question mark. We have, what is the formula we have? Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Anyway we can write, no problem. Okay? Either HCF into LCM or LCM into HCF. Both are same, no problem. So, HCF is given now. LCM into, what is the HCF? 40. Product of two numbers is how much? 19,200. Now I want LCM. Equal to, send 40 that side. So 19,200 by 40. Because it is in the multiplication, when we send to the RHS side, it becomes division. So 0, 0 gets cancelled. 4 4s are 16. 3 will be there. 4 9s are 32. 0. Right? So 490. So therefore, what is the LCM? Required LCM is 490. Right? That is the procedure. We will see one more problem. So these are all depends on relation between HCF and LCM. Okay. The product of two numbers is, third problem. The product of two numbers is 12096 and their HCF is 36. Find their LCM. Okay. What is given? Product of two numbers is given. Product of two numbers is 12096. HCF is given 36. Find their LCM. So LCM equal to question mark. We have HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. HCF is 36 into LCM is equal to product of two numbers is what? 12096. Now send 36 that side. Okay. Then LCM is equal to 12096 upon 36. Okay. Because it is in the multiplication. If you send that side, it becomes division. Okay. 6 will it go? 6 6s are 36, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 6 6s are 36. Right? Again 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. So 2 will remain. 6 3s are 18. 3 will remain. 6 6 are 36. So 336. Therefore LCM, required LCM is equal to 336. That is the end of solution. We will see one more problem. See the question. The product of HCF and the LCM. HCF and the LCM of two numbers is two numbers is 1152. If one number is 48, find the other one. Okay. Now it is little different problem. Look at. Given product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is, it is already given. HCF into LCM is given directly. How much? 1152. One of the numbers is given. One number is given. One number 48. Second number I must find, right? Or you write here first number. First number is given. Second number we should find. Second number how much? Question mark. We have first number into second number is equal to HCF into LCM. That is common. Okay. Instead of writing product of two numbers, I am writing first number into second number equal to HCF into LCM. What is the first number here? 48. I want to find the second number equal to HCF into LCM. Directly it is given 1152. Now I want second number. How do you find second number? Send 48 that side. 1152 by 48. So 2 2s, 2 4s, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 2s, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. 12 2s 24, 12 4s are 48, means 24. Therefore, what is the second number? 24. That is the end of solution. Okay. So hope it is clear. What is the relation between HCF and LCM? For any two given numbers, product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Okay. We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.